Well, I'm on the Carpet Soir today. I normally be on the 1800. I'm on that Carpet Soir.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's a name I ain't heard in a long time.
Cavassier. That was my shit.
Yeah, we used to do that back in the day.
Yeah, I remember when I first got turned on to it. I was in Atlanta, man. My homeboy, the Georgia Clown, rest in peace, he passed, but we was on our damn Shine shit. That's when B first introduced us to Scottdale, because we did our album. We hadn't done an album yet, but he was bringing us to the hood to make sure we were straight, and they already knew about us. So anyway, dude named Sid, man, he walked up on me, man. This nigga said, hey, he said, my name is Sid, man. He said, they call me the Georgia Clown. He said, I'm the biggest fool in Atlanta. That nigga handed me the Cavassier. Now he hit it with the lemon squeeze and he handed me the Cavassier. I hadn't really drank it before. And I was like, man, you going straight like that? And he said, the biggest fool in Atlanta. And I've been on Carpet Soir ever since, man.
Oh, he took the carrot and ran with it.
Look at it, ran with it, man.
Yeah, so at what point do we turn it off? Do we, you know?
Did you hear what I said?
Yeah.
R.I.P. to my nigga Sid. Yeah, that's what I said. Yeah. R.I.P. to the Georgia Clown, man. That's my nigga though.
Oh man.
Yeah, that's what I said. R.I.P. man.
That's what's up.
Yes sir.
R.I.P.
R.I.P. man. The biggest fool in Atlanta, man.
Hey dog, what you think about this goddamn monkeypox, man?
Man.
Well, and why the fuck they didn't have to call it monkeypox unless it came from a goddamn monkey. You know what I'm talking about? Man, that's the bullshit.
Hey right y'all, here we go. Here we go. Here this nigga go already.
With this bullshit.
Man. I'm like you, where the fuck they get the name? Who's coming up with the name? Who the fuck? Cause
and then they said it's just been motherfuckers from the LGBT.
Yeah, from the letters. It's this nigga with the letters.
Yeah. they been getting it.
So is AIDS gone?
I don't know. I'm not understanding, bro. You know what I'm talking about? I'm just trying to get some understanding. Yeah. I don't want no problem. You know what I'm saying? I don't want no monkeypox. You know what I'm talking about? But if they getting it, you know what I'm talking about? And then the dude, I seen a dude on the news say it was like the most painful shit he ever been through. Like, whoa, you know what I'm saying? So you mean getting a dick in your ass ain't don't hurt. Don't hurt like that.
Dick in the boot ain't got shit on monkeypox.
Man, they ain't got shit on monkeypox.
Well, I'm gonna tell you this. I don't want neither one of them. Yeah, I don't want neither one of them.
Neither one of them.
Not now.
Even if give a damn what it come with.
What it come with? Yeah, that's fucked up.
But monkeypox.
Monkeypox, yeah, it's fucked up, man. I'm just tripping on how they keep coming up with these. Man, why is all these incurable diseases coming out? No, I ain't gonna say incurable, but why all these new diseases coming out now, D? COVID, monkeypox, where this shit coming from like this?
Shit been coming. We always done had to die some shit.
Not like this, not where the world shut down.
No. That COVID shit was something different. But shit, I'm just thinking, man. But just imagine though. Well, all of a sudden, everybody started breaking out with big bumps and blisters and shit. You know what I'm talking about?
You talking about everywhere you go, you just start seeing that shit.
Every motherfucker got big bumps and blisters and shit. And you tried your best not to goddamn catch them motherfuckers. Oh shit!
What you gonna do?
I don't know, bro. That's some crazy ass shit.
So look, watch it. So look, okay, if it's the letters disease, you know, LBGT. If it's the letters disease, how the fuck you supposed to catch it? So
it's contagious. It's any type of contact.
But what that got to do with if a nigga like dick in the booty or not? If I
don't know.
I know you straight, and I'm just saying.
I don't.
If you got it, oh, not you, but if I brush up, I guess I ain't got no. I don't know how to say this, but how you catch this shit? Like
I hadn't done my research. All I saw was a little something on the news or some shit. That's all I got, and you know that shit can be. Cause you can be, you know, they trying to program you with this shit.
Yeah.
So.
Cause if that's the case, ain't no heterosexual person gonna catch it because shit, you ain't got no bit. You heterosexual, you ain't got no bit in brushing up against.
Right.
But you see what I'm saying?
But just like that lie we was believing, goddamn it, when the COVID came out, they was talking about black people can't get it.
I remember. I didn't believe none of that shit. Man, I remember when they said that bullshit. D. You were believing it?
Nah, I wouldn't. I mean, I didn't. No, I wasn't believing it. But goddamn it, I think I caught the first case.
I guess you ain't black, then. You ain't black, man.
They got that code for something else.
Something else. But that was bullshit. I remember that, man. They were talking about the melanin in a motherfucker's skin. The melanin, because we got melanin that we can't catch it. Man.
That's crazy.
That was bullshit, man. Them folks.
But then I seen a picture of that monkeypox shit, bro. Awesome.
You go, baby, pull up a picture of this bullshit.
Man, just imagine your motherfucking brows come up, bumps and blisters and shit all over. Man, come on.
Let's see what this shit look like, D.
Come on, bro. We gonna put damn near break up for.
Let's see what this shit look like, man.
You done been somewhere dirty, bitch. Somewhere you ain't got no business.
You damn right. That what it look like.
Somewhere where it was digging booty.
That's what this shit look like. Oh, man.
Somewhere where it was digging booty. That's where you was. So you better start talking right now, bitch. You know what I'm saying? Because you got a monkeypox and you been somewhere with digging booty was. You know what I'm talking about? And ain't no, and not just digging booty, it was bear digging booty. It was out. You know what I'm saying?
It was meat to meat.
Yeah, wasn't no cloth covering nothing.
Oh, man.
So, bitch, you better get to explaining what the fuck going on.
What you stupid?
How the fuck monkeypox ended up over him? Shit.
Man, look, man, let's start this show, man. You ready? Hey, this boy, here's y'all can see y'all in for a motherfucker today. Man, welcome to motherfucking left-handed conversation. This your boy Lil Walter Ghetto Narrator.
And this your boy Derek is the shit talking extraordinaire.
Yes, sir.
Man, this is where we kick game and a lot of bullshit. Man, here for the culture. Conversations you gonna have. Shoulda had.
Don't wanna have.
Right.
See, we gonna
I don't know if you should be.
Right. We gonna talk about it.
That's all good. We ain't showing this shit around this month.
Hey, I'm gonna tell y'all. I'm gonna give a disclaimer for D, man, because it was funny. Cause he, I'm gonna tell y'all, we gonna say some shit on here that. We might not should have said, man. That's what me and D were talking about. When y'all see that Color Purple episode, man, we was like, man, I might have said some shit, man, that I should have said. But guess what, man?
I was on my Woodrow, bro.
We gonna blame it on the Woodrow.
I was on my Woodrow shit.
Hey, don't get mad. We just talking conversation. If you like it, you do. If you don't, man, guess what, man?
I talk shit. That's
what
I do.
Plan it.
Come back. Man, let's get it.
Man, I know what I want to ask you about, man. You know, speaking of your comedy and shit, man. You still Jesus' partner?
No way.
You still Jesus' partner, man?
No way. I would have been Jesus' partner. He came and hollered at. You know, when his day was going bad, you know what I'm saying? He was the man. Somebody needs somebody to go to.
What you think Jesus would have said about these monkeypox? What would have been his take on this shit?
I mean, he'd have said the same thing I said. You know what I'm saying?
What?
Hey, like if your girl caught, he'd have said, hey, your girl been around digging booty.
Man, I'm talking about what did Jesus call a little meeting with all the disciples and shit. We all chilling. He look over there and see old Peter. Peter
bumped up and shit.
Peter bumped up and shit.
Damn right.
What you think Jesus gonna say to
Say
Peter,
the
man?
same thing. He ain't got to say it. He might say, something, behold, you know what I'm saying? Peter has come across, you know what I'm saying? Some uncleanliness. You know, he'd probably put it good, you know what I'm saying?
He gonna try to make it sound good.
And that I'd have been right there with, hey, all my long. That nigga been around some dick and booty. He been around dick and booty, bad dick and booty.
Man. Peter gonna be mad, the mother. He gonna look at you like, nigga.
Hey, how you gonna be mad, bumped up? I'm mad because you brought this shit around us. Now we finna get it. You know what I'm saying? And I ain't seen nobody dick and booty.
Oh, man.
Fuck that.
Damn.
Going on with this shit.
Peter just came out the closet. Or the cave. My baby.
You should have called in sick on this meeting, Peter. You know what I'm saying? This where the sick call come in. You ain't gotta make every goddamn meeting if you ain't feeling good, motherfucker. Especially with some goddamn bumps and blisters and shit.
Man, look.
You ain't feeling worth a damn.
Oh, man.
And neither am I. Now that you had this motherfucking meeting, Peter. Shit, man. Don't be fucking with me, bro.
That's right.
Don't be fucking with me, bro.
Oh, my stuff.
I ain't with that shit.
We ain't with that shit, man. Oh, man. Boy,
you know what I'm saying?
Boy, you damn.
Boy,
I done took the damn glass off already, man. Here we go. But that's real, though. That's real shit, man. Hey.
I ain't got no truth for you, man. That's all we can. Shit, that's how it coming. Peter be gone with. What the fuck? Look, first motherfucker just spotted. Hey, Peter.
That's your ass gonna be.
Great. Better he don't want nobody to touch it either. Don't get close to me.
That's your motherfucker.
Shit.
That's how it's gonna be. Jesus talk about say, oh, hey, Peter.
Oh,
they gonna come up off of him like that.
Hey, bro, what's happening? Right.
Oh,
Peter has come across some cleanliness.
Cleanliness, man.
Yeah,
and then we gonna start looking around and see who else. Peter gonna run everybody hot. Here we gonna start looking at everybody now. Come here, John. Come here, Judas. Man, let's see what the fuck go wrong with y'all.
That shit wild.
Hey, that's crazy, man.
That shit. Hey,
yo.
Yeah, let me get off. Well, that's a good one for the Christians right there. I love my Christians.
Oh yes, sir. That's why I had to jump back on it. Right? It's been a while since we got it. We ain't forgot about y'all.
Hey, y'all. Wait.
Come on with it.
I think I just got another. I got another idea, Lou.
Come on, spit it, man. Let's hear it, man.
No. We gonna.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna bring it.
That's gonna be for the stage.
For the stage.
That's for the stage. Okay.
I'm gonna let you know here.
Man,
you just gave me an idea.
Boy, you just gave me some goosebumps. I already know this shit finna be funny as hell. Look.
Oh man. Man. Bing. Light done shot on.
Man, give us a teaser, man.
Oh man, I just say Bible stories.
Okay. I'll take that.
That's all I'm gonna go with.
Well, that's what I'm saying, man. Y'all don't look forward to this shit, man.
Yeah.
Look here, man. When we was talking about, and I know y'all seen it. When we was talking about, Forrest Gump ass, man. Okay. I just, like I said, I want to tell y'all, I just found out something that I didn't know, and I feel stupid. Me and D were talking before this shit. I didn't realize that, and I done seen the movie 50 times, I didn't know that Janae had got violated. So I didn't know that was the reason why she was so promiscuous. I thought that she was born whorish. You know what I'm saying? But I just found out that no, it was some shit.
The whore gene.
Yeah. I thought she had the gene. Yeah. But I didn't know that it led up to it. So for the record, man, I just want to say, Jenna, you know what I'm saying? I feel you a little bit, you know what I'm saying? And I want to apologize for some of the
but that show you weren't listening, because I said it in the episode. What? Because they said they said Jenny daddy had been touching her.
See,
I said that in the episode.
and I didn't know about the sister.
Yeah, he was touching her and her sister.
I didn't know about the sister.
See, when Forrest come over there, when he run over there, Jenny was standing outside. You know what I'm saying? So he had already got through with Jenny. He was jumping on the sisters and shit while Jenny was outside.
Damn it,
you know what I'm saying? And when she took Forrest by the hand, when he come out there looking for her, she took Forrest by the hand and ran him into the field. Talking about some, pray with me, Forrest. You know what I'm saying? Pray with me. You know what I'm saying?
Because it just went down.
Hey, man.
But
yeah, she had problems. I get it, bro.
But still,
sick motherfucker.
But still, like you said, that didn't give you no biddy, like you said, to go over there and take a chance on giving Forrest them monkeypox.
Yeah, you know should have told Forrest, look, Forrest, we ain't got no condom.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Right.
But hell, you know, Forrest, ran rap or whatever the fuck. He could have did anything around that bitch.
Man, I wonder how the fuck did Forrest, how did he meet Bubba? Oh, on that bus. He met Bubba. He met Bubba on that damn bus.
Hey, bro.
Bubba was a crazy motherfucker too, man.
Hey, bro.
That nigga was funny to me.
I'm talking about Bubba might have had 3 different lines where he didn't say nothing about shrimp. You know what I'm saying? He said you can sit here if you want. You know what I'm saying? And then he said something else over there in Vietnam about something else. And the third thing was I want to go home. Every goddamn thing else, it was about some shrimp.
Every motherfucking thing.
Everything and Bubba said was about shrimp. As far as just looking at the motherfucker, just taking it all in. You know what I'm saying? Now, who knew that he was a genius enough to take all that motherfucking information in about this shrimp and shit? But I got like, Bubba, shut the fuck up.
Shut the motherfucker up,
about
nigga.
Shrimp. Now.
Damn it, man.
Fuck this shit.
You see, Lieutenant Dan didn't want to hear that shit.
Oh, nigga, he wasn't studying that shit.
Man, Lieutenant Dan was off the chain, man. That look, you been in the military, so was there some crazy motherfucker like Lieutenant Dan out there, man? I'm talking about them OGs out there, man.
Yeah, it was a few, man. It was a few. I had one chief, man. He was like damn near like a white version of myself.
Ooh.
Man, but he was my supervisor.
Where you from?
I can't remember.
Okay.
I can't remember. He was wild. He was a wild ass.
Nah, man, you gotta tell me.
I loved him, dog. I got a picture of him.
That's a hard. Now you said something hard, then you said a white version of you, nigga.
Hey, man, but he knew. But he was older than me, so I was a kid coming. Okay. He was older than me, so he knew how to tone it down just a little bit.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
He was just a little seasoned.
I was wide open.
Yeah.
I'm on 10 the whole way.
I can see that.
And he was telling me, hey, you might need to get, hey, calm down, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, hell no, motherfucker. I'm from Jackson.
Come on, man. Give me a story. What was the situation where he told you to calm the fuck down? What you were doing, man?
Shit, man. I don't know. Now you don't make me think.
Yeah, think about it, man. Think about it. Boy, you just said something real, did man? A white, cause I know your wild self, man.
Oh man, I'm talking about wild as a hyena coming in that moment. Shit.
It had to be somewhere overseas. I mean, it was another country.
Probably telling them, cuss no motherfucker.
Oh, you weren't taking no shit.
I was spraying on motherfuckers then.
Oh, man.
I took this shit.
I
took it with me.
Oh, man.
When I left Jackson, I brought my bag of spraying on with me. And then I give him a sticker and say, from Jackson.
Right.
From Jackson, Tennessee.
I have been sprung on.
Mm-hmm.
Man, come on, man. Tell me, man. Give me a story, man. The first nigga you sprung on? Fresh out of Jackson, Tennessee, in the Navy. You meeting people from everywhere. I know, so everybody thinking they coming from their city, they the hardest thing going. Everybody trying to represent.
Shoot, I guess when I remember, I forget where this dude was from.
Not even sprung on. Who you got into it with? Let's say you got into it with.
Yeah, but I got him good. And I hate even dwelling on this.
We ain't gonna say no name. No name.
But I was a kid. He was talking crazy. He was a big buff white boy. Like to lift weights. He buff good. Like this shit. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
He just didn't know I love bullies and shit. You know what I mean?
Where was he from, man?
I don't know.
Damn it, man. I be wanting to know.
I can't even remember, bro.
But anyway.
He was talking crazy, you know what I'm saying? And I'm like, okay, this one, I don't know who the fuck he talking to. So he was standing in front of this table. So,
yeah.
Man, when I got tired of that motherfucker, man, I pushed that motherfucker. And he fell back across the table. And he was sliding across the goddamn table. I run around the table.
Oh, man.
By the time he come off the edge of that motherfucker, BOOM! And then with the goddamn, he's jumping on that motherfucker with both feet.
Oh man.
Oh man.
Well, now, was it people around, or that was just y'all like a little solo thing, or did other folks see this shit?
There was some people.
Okay. This was a crowd around.
Yeah, there was people around there. You know what I'm saying? That was a proud moment. I had fun.
I'm proud for it, man.
I'm having fun on him, but man,
like you said, bullies, man.
Yeah,
bullies, man. Fuck them, man.
Yeah, man, the military, man. Man, I thought I hated it, but now when I look back on it, I really love it.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But it was just homesick that I'm
Well, let me ask you, cause see, man, and like I said, if I get talking too much about it, man, let me know. Cause see, I missed during that time. It's so much that I don't know, and so much that I wonder what was going on, man. So
you gonna make my PTSD flare up.
Uh-oh.
No, but go ahead.
BTSD. What
PTSD.
Oh.
PTSD.
Yeah, they'll send you a check for it, man. What man, what was the I know it took you around the world. What was one of the most beautifulest places that you saw? Being from Jackson, Tennessee, you know what I'm saying? You know, we see, but
beautiful, yeah.
One of the most beautiful places in the world that you saw.
Greece, my dog.
Wow.
Greece.
Did you experience
it? I went to Greece twice, huh?
I mean, you weren't just on the boat. I mean, you got out, you got a chance to experience it. Kicked it. Okay.
Yeah, man, we went to everywhere. Rented a car.
Okay.
And rented a car and drove all around.
So around this time, you probably was about 20, 21.
20.
Yeah. 20. Boy, prime.
Boy.
Prime. Ready. Motherfucker, ready.
Boy, I'm talking, man, 5'8". I might as well have been 6'8". But
did you have a partner though? Did you have somebody with you that you met that was cool? That you?
Yeah, I had somebody that we ran the car, and me and him was cool.
And we can say his name, Cam.
I can't even remember.
Okay, I got you.
You know what I'm saying? Cause he was cool.
Okay.
You know, when he got drunk and he turned into a sucker. He turned into a sucker. You know what I'm saying? I saw he threw up all in the damn rental car, and then we had to take the car back. You know what I'm saying? And didn't have a chance to clean it out. You know what I'm saying? And then he was like, man, I ain't cleaning it out. I said, man, we got to. We can't take the car back like that, bro.
Yeah.
And so once we took it back, you know what I'm saying? We tried to, hear him walk off and go. And dude ran and caught up with us, man. And he was like, hey, man. He was like, man, you guys, he said, you threw up all in the car, didn't clean up, blah, blah, blah. And he said, and you didn't clean it, you left it to us, gave it to us like this. He said, you're not honorable men. Yeah. That stuck with me. Bro.
Yes, sir.
You know what I'm saying? Because I was telling this man, we need to clean this motherfucker.
But
it's your throw up. So you need to
this a civilian that said that?
Yeah, he the one that rented us the car.
Yeah.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, that hurt.
Yeah. For me, because I'm like, dude,
right.
I'm straight up on that.
Yeah. But anyway, back to Greece, though. What was beautiful about Greece?
Yeah, the titties.
It's simple as that.
Yeah, the titties.
Is black people in Greece? You don't know.
I was black. You know what I'm saying? We went to the motherfucking hood and we was at the beach. And it's topless beaches.
Wow.
Yeah. So I'm loped out.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? They can't see me. I can't see my eyes. But everybody else didn't have no shades.
They didn't have sense. So they wasn't thinking. You were thinking.
So you young, you know what I'm saying? And we don't do no topless over here.
Hell no.
You know what I'm saying? You over there and they got titties hanging.
And it's nothing.
And that's their culture. That's what they do.
Yeah.
Hey man, so I'm behind them shades gawking like them all, but they can't see me gawking. Like I'm saying, but the other motherfuckers, they were gawking. They were like, man, hey, look at them. They were like, look at them titties, pointing at them and everything. So I'm like, man, they gonna know we ain't from here. God damn, man.
This nigga said Greece. Wow.
Yeah, Greece was beautiful. I'm talking about the water was. Man, if you see pictures of Greece, man, it's so beautiful.
How long you was over there?
I don't know. Cause
a couple weeks though.
A week at a time.
Okay.
Cause I went 2 different times.
Yeah.
The women was beautiful. Cause they got that little tan on them. The scenery was beautiful. It was just the food was gyros. I got real motherfucking.
That's the real deal. Not these 7-Eleven.
Or gyro, whatever.
Gyro, hero, gyro.
Right, where you go up to the stand and dude got the meat twerking on. I'm talking about real meat, sawing that motherfucker with the onions and the goddamn tomato, man, and get you some real ranch, cucumber ranch, man. That shit, and they call fries chips.
Oh, okay,
so,
okay.
Man, I fucked them up, man. I stayed at them.
What's up?
Give me a hero.
Give me a hero.
Gyro, man.
Come on, man. I love it. What was another beautiful city, man? Because you've been around the world, nigga.
Man. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
It was beautiful. I ain't gonna say that. You know what I'm saying? It was beautiful. I just put it like, but now fuck that. It stank.
What?
Smelled like goddamn sewer. When I first got into Italy. I went into Naples, Italy.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? It stank, smelled like sewer. You know
the whole city, everywhere you go.
It was just, I don't know. Maybe something was going on at the time. You know what I'm talking about? You know, and I ain't trying to offend nobody.
Right.
Just what I experienced.
Y'all need to walk around incense, nigga, in y'all mouth.
Stupid. But man, you know what I'm saying? I went and toured Rome. Italy.
Okay, you know, that's what them motherfuckers used to do. Had the Coliseum and they used to do the fighting and the gladiators and all that shit.
And then they got all the motherfucking the Broncos. You know, they had the Broncos.
I forgot about this. The red light district.
Yeah, boy, you know them goddamn Italians. They are fuck.
Oh, they going.
Yeah, they are fuck.
They going.
They had you know, they showed us all the old fuck houses. Man, I toured the Coliseum. Went to the Coliseum, man. Went in and had a little dinner, man. And how they do it, you know what I'm saying? They start off, they bring out pasta, you know.
Oh yeah. That's that shit, yeah.
Yeah, they bring out some pasta, you know what I'm saying? Actually, you want red or white wine, you know what I'm talking about? So you damn near full on red, you know, just like they do your rolls and shit.
Right,
you know
right.
I'm damn near full on pasta. You know what I'm saying? When they take that away and bring the main course. You know what I'm saying? I think I might have had veal and some other shit. You know what I'm saying? Marinara.
And I know it's a different Italian. Like I said, you in Italy, so it ain't like the Italian restaurant around the corner. This that real deal.
Yeah, it's that shit. It's that shit, man. You know what I'm saying? Kicked it like a boss, man.
Yeah,
then went to the Vatican, dog. You know where the Pope is.
Oh
They wouldn't let a player in. Because I had on shorts. They don't let you can't go in there with shorts.
Damn, you tell me they got a dress code at the Vatican, like at the club, man. You can't wear no baseball hats in there, man. No baseball cap.
Right. They went on the show.
Damn it, man.
You know what I'm saying?
That's beautiful.
I used to fuck with my captain. I ain't gonna do that.
Come on, man. You just started that shit.
No, man.
We'll edit it out.
At the 5 party, I used to fuck with him about being a Catholic captain.
Oh, what, man? What? Okay. That's dead on that. That's dead on that.
This shit. I like it. I love everybody.
You would catch it on stage. Come to the stage show, man. You would get all that, man. It's the stand up.
Yeah. But I will plead with the Catholic priests. You know what I'm saying? To get them boys a rest. You know what I'm talking about? Get them boys a rest. You know, it's been going on for too long.
It's been going on too damn long, man.
Right.
Damn.
You know, you causing a whole lot of broken men around this motherfucker.
Man.
And next thing you know, these motherfuckers walking around with monkeypox. You know what I'm saying?
So wait a minute. So you said we just came up where monkeypox originated from, man?
Nah, I'm just saying.
Hey, that's what it sounded like.
Let me get out. Let me quit talking shit. I'm talking shit.
We just found out where monkeypox originated from. Wink, wink. You know what I'm saying?
Nah, man. Quit fucking around. No, but you can't censor me though.
No, man. Like I said,
I'm just a little bit more. I put it on stage.
Well, look, man.
I put it on stage.
We at look where we at.
What did it? Word.
What you think?
Hey, well, hell, man.
It went by quick, didn't it, man?
Yeah, man. We're gonna pay some bills and we'll be right back.
Like,
y'all, man.
Subscribe, comment.
Yeah, man. Left-handed conversation.
Peace.